Hello guys and welcome to Quick Solution. Today I'm going to show you how you can switch back to a personal account on Instagram. So let's say that you have created a business account and you want to switch back to a personal one, and here is what you'll have to do. So let's open the Instagram app right here, and then you'll have to hit the icon with your profile icon at the bottom right corner, and then hit the icon with the three lines at the top right corner, and then go to settings and privacy. So right here you will see a list with a bunch of different options, and we'll have to scroll down and select this one right here, creator tools and controls. So if you see right here, there is an option called switch account type, and we're going to hit that. And right here we have switch to business account or personal account. So what we'll have to do right here is, of course, select the switch to personal account one, and they will ask you again if you want to switch to a personal account, and you'll have to hit this option switch to personal account, which is colored red. So now, as you can see at the top right corner, there is a loading page, and we switch to personal account back. So this is all for today, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.